Unraveling the pitch. Understanding. Give it a full toss. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a rather intriguing phrase, give it a full toss. Whether you're a cricket enthusiast or new to the game, this phrase carries a rich blend of sporting and everyday language nuances that we're excited to unpack for you. So, let's get the ball rolling and find out what it means to truly give it a full toss in both the cricketing world and beyond. First up, let's talk about where this phrase comes from, cricket. In cricket, a full toss is a type of delivery where the ball is bowled without bouncing on the pitch first. It's a direct throw to the batsman, often seen as an easier ball to hit due to its lack of bounce. However, mastering the full toss can be a double-edged sword. It can lead to spectacular shots or, if poorly executed, easy catches. Now, how does this translate into everyday language? When someone says to give it a full toss outside of cricket, they're often encouraging boldness and directness. It's about giving your all, taking a straightforward approach without holding back. Whether you're tackling a project, a challenge, or an opportunity, giving it a full toss means you're not shying away from potential risks. You're embracing them head-on. Let's put it into context with some examples. In the workplace, your boss might say, "Let's give this campaign a full toss," meaning they want to approach it aggressively and with full effort, without overthinking the risks. In personal development, a mentor could advise, "Give your dreams a full toss," encouraging you to pursue your passions fearlessly and with your whole heart. Interestingly, this phrase and its cricket origins reflect a broader cultural appreciation for sports and how they influence language. Across English-speaking countries, especially those where cricket is popular, sports terminology often seeps into everyday conversation, enriching the language with dynamic and vivid expressions. Give it a full toss is a prime example of this linguistic phenomenon, showcasing the playful and strategic ways in which English evolves through its cultural touchstones. We hope this exploration of give it a full toss has been an enlightening journey from the cricket pitch to the broad field of English expression. Whether you're on the playing field or facing life's pitches, remembering to give it a full toss can be a powerful mantra for embracing challenges with courage and enthusiasm. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language and expressions. Keep swinging, and see you in the next video.